Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make easy, delicious vegetarian recipe. And so for that, I will first of all go ahead and show you what we need to do this. So first of all, we need 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, 2 zucchini. Then we need separate, I put spices in separate dishes so you will know what to use. So here for this, we are gonna use salt, black pepper, red pepper. And then we need 3 potatoes and 3 carrots. Also, we need 3 and then we need 3 garlic. If you like garlic, you can use more. Then we need salt, red pepper, black pepper, and mix that we are using for this is actually and then here we are having dried vegetables here. And for this part we need 2 spoons of olive oil, and here we need 1 spoon of olive oil. So now we are gonna get started. So we need bowl like this. If you have any other type of bowl, you can use that. I'm gonna first of all add potatoes here. So potatoes, please, you may cut in apple slices like this. It's not supposed to be very fat or very thin, so just in medium, okay, shape. Then we are gonna add carrots. Carrots, usually I'm, you can cut in circles or a little bit triangle way, all right? So I will add now carrots. Once you add carrots, I've cut garlic in 4 pieces. 1 garlic I cut in 4, so you can do that also. Then I'm gonna make sure that all the spices are mixed equally. So if you don't have dried vegetables, you can use any other spices that you like or enjoy eating. And then we add like this. Okay, we're gonna add our olive oil. Here we've got 2 spoons of olive oil. Okay, then we gently just mix them up. You don't have to mix with the spoon. If you like, you can use your hands, but I prefer this way so all the spices and everything stay there. That's the reason I'm using the spoon. Once you mix everything up, please make sure that all the potatoes and all the carrots have equal spices everywhere, okay? So guys, after you mix everything up, you may use tray like this if you have one, and gently pour them here. Make sure that all the spices, all the oil goes in. Make sure that you equalize them here. So guys, once you put everything here, it already smells very good, all right? Please make sure that you have this baking paper, okay? And put it like this. So once you have placed the baking paper here, it means it's ready to go. Guys, I would like to add one thing here. So if you have an oven, please kindly make sure that you make sure to get it warmed up earlier. So I'm adding here 20 minutes for the oven to get on fire, all right? So guys, once you warmed up your oven for 20 minutes, then you put vegetables here for 10 minutes. All right. It shall be here for 10 minutes. So we use the same bowl. We are gonna add here red pepper, green pepper, and zucchini. After that, we are gonna add our spices. We have here salt, black pepper, and red pepper. If you prefer any other spices, please, you are welcome to add those. I'm gonna mix it up here to make sure that it will be equally mixed. Add on top of it. Then we need 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I am using the spoon to mix it up because I would like all the spices to stay there. If you would like to use your hands, you are welcome to do that. So guys, it's ready now. So we open the top of it, and then we are gonna add our vegetables here. Once you have settled all your vegetables here, we will put in the oven just like this. And we are gonna wait for another 15 minutes for it to be ready. So as you see, our vegan recipe food is ready. We've made it in the highest degree on the oven. So I'm gonna take, so this food we made in 230 degrees in an oven. I'm gonna make sure that we have all the vegetables here too. If you would like it to be well cooked, please make it 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna give it a try. It's delicious, it's juicy, it's full of spice, and it's very nice. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel if you have time, if you want. And if you have any other comments, we will be glad to hear from you. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye.